I'm climbing the rungs. Everyone here's got agendas. Doomed by desire, the world's on fire. Still trying to find where we'll end up. And I.
So we are in Gaza. We reached Gaza yesterday in the morning around 11, and I had hell lots of work to do, so I finished my work and did not vlog even a little bit. And the plan now is me going up towards Langza, Hikkim and Komic, because there's a festival nearby Komic, festival in Komic, where they have all kinds of races, horse races and stuff. So it's a pretty big festival. That's what I heard. So I'm kind of trying to hitchhike and go over there. Let's see. Hopefully I get something. So Demul was one of the best places I've been to after Gu. Demul comes first and then comes Gu, but still so beautiful. You go all the way, it's brown mountains, and suddenly you enter Demul and it's all greenery, complete green, as you saw. It's just so beautiful. I would have loved to stay there, but they are very strict with COVID, so I had to just come back. I did not stay there. We took a morning bus at around 8 a.m. towards Gaza and came back, and it was really wonderful. People are wonderful over there. If you want to stay there next time when COVID is out of the world, probably you can just go stay there for a day or two. They'll be getting their network in like 20-30 days, I guess, so you don't have any problem over there. And you guys must be wondering, where are the others? So as you guys already know that I'm a solo traveler. I like traveling solo. More than a couple of days with the same people, I get bored. So those guys are way ahead of me. Even they are trying to hitchhike. I just wanted to be alone for a while, or travel alone for a while. I'll meet them up when I reach Komic, so that's not a big deal. So yeah, travel solo, man. You'll meet many people. You'll meet many good people. You'll have a pleasant experience most of the times. So travel alone. Now I'm trying to hitchhike, so I'll see you upstairs.
There ain't no cause for concern. What are you so afraid of? It's just the world that's gonna burn. Never a why, just choose a side. Yeah, so many hills left to die on. No equity for enemies. No, we can't let bygones be bygones.
I don't know. Sometimes I just feel tired.
What are you so afraid of? There ain't no cause for concern. Yeah. What are you so afraid of?
So this is Komic, a beautiful village. It's well known for its highest motorable village ever. But wow, what a beautiful village, man. It's in the midst of nowhere. Very beautiful. And I freaking forgot my phone in the truck. His name was Bablu. He dropped me till here, even though he did not have to come till here. But the other truck guy, who was his friend, colleague, told me that he's coming back here, so I'm just waiting for him to come here and then get my phone and go down towards the village so that I can get a homestay or something and catch up with these people, because I completely lost everything. I couldn't even see the ending of the festival, so yeah, here you go. Okay, so I got my phone back. Another person, Moblu's colleague, forgot to ask his name. Thank you so much. I got my phone. He came back. He was dropping his laborers, so he dropped my phone as well. Now I'm looking for a homestay. So I feel that one right over there, the white one, might be the homestay. So it looks nice and clean. So that one feels like a homestay, so I'm just going to go there. That's the festival, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. You can always catch it in the next year. It happens every year. And okay. So I'm in the highest motorable village possible. It's called as Komic. Of course, you guys already know that. I missed the festival, but it's okay. I got a beautiful sunset. It was completely totally worth it, and I met these people by chance here. It's called as Jordan Homestay. I forgot exactly what. Yeah, it was Jordan Homestay in Komic. There's only like 2 or 3 homestays over here. One is on the top over there, one is over here, and probably one is in the bottom, or I think probably that one over there. So yeah, it's a beautiful village. It's worth it to stay here for like 1 or 2 days. I mean, there's no network, but it doesn't matter. I mean, the views are beautiful. You can just trek towards Hikkim if you just don't want to. If you want to just do something from Komic, it's downhill, so it won't affect you much. So you can go to Hikkim in like hardly an hour. It's just like 3-4 kilometers away. So it's a beautiful trek. And up there is the monastery, which I'll be going tomorrow morning. And the conclusion with the sunset I shot right now.
Sometimes I just feel tired.
Good morning, hello, namaste, salam alaikum, welcome back. It's a beautiful morning, beautiful weather. I'm in Komic, reached late, missed the festival, but there was a wonderful sunset yesterday and an amazing view of the mountains. So now I'm with Mr. Sitanshu, going around the village, having a walkthrough of the village right now, because that is what we do. And
कुछ टाइम पहले यहाँ बीमारी फैली थी, तो काफ़ी जानवरों की यहाँ डेथ हुई थी। उसमें से एक ये याक का है, याक का सर है ये, तो इस पर भी बीमार हुआ था। बाकी लाश से नीचे बहुत है, वो भी दिखाऊंगा अभी आपको मैं।
As I was saying, it was just there was a बैड। हाँ
इधर चलना है।
वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा, ये ऐसे ही चलते हैं आराम से।
हाँ तो ठीक है, ये चल के ऐसे घूम जा सकते
ओए ये बादशाह भी होगा। So there was a lot of deaths because of some kind of fever. So a lot of goats and yaks died, and there are a lot of bodies like this, and that's what he was saying. There's another body right over there, and another over there, and there's another yak over there. Yak's head, actually. There are a lot of dead bodies of yaks and goats over here, which died because of fever. That happened like 2 years back or something. This is the highest village. You know, there are a lot of snow leopards and wolves around here which come and just snatch a goat or two. So that's why these fencings and those stones to protect the village and their goats and yaks. But still, sometimes snow leopards and wolves just come in somehow and take a goat or two. It doesn't matter to them what kind of fencing you have or how you're protecting. If it's hungry, it's going to take it. So until now, I did not feel it that much cold, but from Demul is like the second highest village after Komic. So I started feeling a little bit of cold. So I had to put up a second layer of jacket, or else I would just freeze to death. And you must visit Komic Hikkim Langza, which I know everyone visits, but you must visit and stay here to have the essence of what kind of village it is. Roam around the village. That's how you explore places, not by just coming, looking at the monastery, going to Hikkim, putting up a post and going to Langza, picking up a few fossils and going home. That's not the way of traveling, man. That's very bad. And please stop picking up fossils, for God's sake. There's already like 90% of the fossils are gone, and Langza is famous for its fossils. And if we all keep, digging and taking away the fossils, I don't think Langza would be a tourist spot after the fossils are completely disappeared, vanished. And let's continue with the village tour. So here majorly they grow barley and peas, not this peas. So I asked him if he tried to put up apple, but he said no, he still have to, but it might grow. If you're coming to Spiti, probably maybe like at least visit Demul, even if you don't stay there, because Demul is the most greenery place of Spiti. It was so green, I felt like I'm in Western Ghats again. It was really amazing. Camera.
जानवर जो होता है लेपर्ड उठाया होगा, नहीं फंस गया तो से निकल गया, तभी टूटा हुआ है ये.
The snow leopard or wolf would have tried to snatched that goat, but probably got stuck there, couldn't pull it anymore, and it just left. Ate whatever it could and just left. So yeah, happens. It's nature. This is it. This is the village. This is like 10 or 12 houses maximum and one monastery. It's a very small village. All of them, Langza, Hikkim and Komic. But beautiful villages.
I feel like the real MVP. I feel like I should give a speech. I feel like I deserve a ring. I feel like the highlight if you know what I mean.
If you can see people over there, it's people of all the three villages, Hikkim, Komic and Langza. They meet every year. Every time they have to harvest and every time they have to sell, they meet, they discuss, and then they do everything. It's basically like, monks see their books and give a good time to harvest, give a good time to sell everything. It happens everywhere in India, so it's pretty common. Well, let's go. That's Hikkim. It's like 4 kilometers from Komic. You can walk on the road or you can take the path. I'm just taking the road. That peak over there is Shila Peak. It's blocked. I mean, nobody's allowed to go there anymore. This road goes over there and there and there and there and there.
ये अच्छा है आपके पास, उसको रखेगी संभाल के, उसकी वैल्यू सजा के रख